In 10 to 15 minutes, tasty potatoes. On sale, found these. Peel, wash, dice. Add favorite seasoning. My basics: salt, pepper, Italian. 10 minutes in air fryer. Choose your favorite cooking oil. Toss well. Add your favorite veggies like bell peppers and onions. Remember to save this to replant in garden. Pepper seeds also save. Toss well. Let these air dry then store away for future use. Dump in air fryer. Set timer and temp. Add favorite condiments. Enjoy your tasty potatoes. Please remember to like, comment, and share the video.